You know, Malema, he will never be the president of South Africa because of he doesn't respect anyone. He doesn't listen to anyone. He don't want to be told. He don't want to be reprimanded. Malema, okay, Malema is so selfish. Whoever is against him, Malema run to the court, wow, sue. So as a leader, you have to respect people. If you check that video, I will play it here.
That's why these fools are running around here. I'm in charge. On a point of order.
So imagine that the whole leader, Abu Jaba to get a fool, like insulting people. How will you expect people to respect you? Have you ever heard Ramaphosa insulting anyone? Have you ever heard Zuma insulting anyone? Have you ever heard Mbeki insulting anyone? Have you ever heard Nelson Mandela insulting anyone? None of them ever insulted anyone in public platform. But Malema has that nerve of insulting someone. You are so foolish. You are criminals. That's why we don't take him serious. Because he doesn't respect South Africa. But he still wants to be the president of South Africa. And that will never happen. Maybe in Zimbabwe, maybe in other countries, not in South Africa. South Africans are very wise. They know how to, they will cook you. Only stupid people will follow you. As always, people are stupid. That's why he's planting that seed. Every time when we are engaging with EFF members, more comment section, they always insult because of Pachielechiena. So you can see there's no way a party like that can lead. There's no way. How can you lead people when I insult is just a normal thing to you? So I'm gonna address it especially my EFF. So when Malema is saying South Africans are lazy, so you think Malema is excluding EFF members? Because it's including you as EFF members. You are so lazy. I know you are all South Africans. That's why you are even lazy to think for yourselves. That's why you always wait for Malema to think for you. Every time education is important. Go Malema. We're cruising nice. Go Malema. Here we must not focus on tech show. We must focus on minds. Go Malema. Every time when Malema says something, you always copy it and come to comment section to defend him with those phrases. So it shows you are so lazy to even think for yourselves. That's why le media chief in command, because of while command our lepile. So with this issue, Yama South African, we are lazy, we are unskilled. It's also including you guys. Are other people exclude EFF members? While include in that thing, so little before le mo protect, other countries when they look at South Africa, ba bona re le ditlela, ba bona re le stupid, ba bala le lena ma EFF. Don't act like abalebale. And I want to tell you something about this thing, Yamalema. He's trying to unite Africans, but those other political leaders or other presidents, other countries, they don't do that. Lebella, example, the president of Burkina Faso. That guy, he prioritized his people. He made sure his people come first. Have you ever heard him talking about other foreign countries? No, you always focus. So it's one of the greatest, it's one of the best leaders in Africa. I think he will 80 something. Mara Malema, he want to take the spotlight. And the Udichiaga wrong. He always expose his IQ level of thinking. That's all wanna know. Other African leaders support what Malema is saying. They don't even say anything about borderless. They don't even say anything about Africa for one. They are just kept quiet. They just they don't even say anything because they know whatever Malema is preaching, it will never happen. So according to you, you think if, let's assume it comes to that thing, Africa is for one, who's gonna lead that Africa? Do you think this Nigerians, this Zimbabwean can be led by Malema? No. Now they act like they understand Malema because they need Malema to fight for them so that they can be in South Africa. It's not like they love Malema. If you want to see that they don't love Malema, ira change the tune, as he always do. Change. Aye, man. Yeah, right, my brother. We are working overtime to save our country from people like Malema, people like his followers. Because at the end of the day, it's us who are suffering on the ground. Malema, he's living a lavish life. Go Sentene, go the estate. Onale full security 24/7. There's no way ukatsena. Malema onale the bodyguard. Like nothing can happen. As for Wena, those illegal foreigners, they are easy to get to you. Nalo Wena, we are not living that lavish life. This life, yeah, illegal foreigners, is affecting us. If you nalongwana, every time we go register ngwana, ba tlo botsa ro eme di line. While the illegal foreigners bana ba bona ba tsena kwa, rena re shorter space. How many children of South Africans ba rena today ba shorter space? They've been placed more in like they have to take transport to get to school. Malema bana ba gage ba tsena dikolo tse di right. Malema bana ba gage ba tsena dikolo tse like he pays a lot of money for them. They don't even know the struggle. He's busy saving money for them, or they won't even suffer. When you are busy helping him, what about yours? Do you know in the next coming 20 years to come, because of these foreigners who are fighting? They are busy coming to our country, and they are busy calling their siblings to come to South Africa illegally. They're gonna take over our South Africa. South Africa is a country like is peace. The options. They can relocate, go to other countries because of Papa Wana, he's busy saving money for them. When we say overtime, we're trying to protect that. Malema, he doesn't love South Africans, including other parties. It's not like it's only EFF. The reason we are talking about EFF is because of EFF in Alimulomu. EFF talk too much. EFF act like Yona is the number one. ANC is the governing party, but they don't talk. But party EFF is number 4, but it always make noise. It always make noise. Without talk a sense. These people, guys, they don't care about us. All those politicians, they don't care about us. That's why now, we stand up, we fight for our country. They don't care about us. Ramaphosa doesn't care about us. Mpeki doesn't care about us because there's nothing they are doing now about this illegal foreigners. Instead, they are telling us, oh no, we mustn't take law into our own hands. There are those law enforcement who will deal with it. If they were dealing with those things, we wouldn't be here much and much. Because of they are failing, they are taking bribes. We always see videos the illegal foreigners busy bribing police officers. So it means we must take law into our own hands because of like they are failing us. What Ramaphosa you lavish life business outside the country. Right now we are here suffering. There was this time where Somalians right. Malema didn't say anything about it. Ramaphosa just said no, they must go and register. And we'll talk about serious things here. We're still gonna work overtime and nothing will stop that. Yeah. Okay, my brother. Or for your information, to document a person doesn't mean giving someone citizenship. Documenting it in simple terms means creating a way of tracing a person should you need to. So let me inform you here. Right now, we don't need to trace them. Why should we trace them? Why should we use our resources to trace them? For what? Because we are not even related to them. They are not even important to our country. The only people that we will trace is South African who live in South Africa. It's the duty of their country to trace them. Their country are failing to trace them, or they are in South Africa illegal. Why they don't trace them? Because of one, they have full information about them. Right now, we don't have anything to do with them. That's why we will never document them. For what? For what reason? Whose money is gonna be used to go to document those people? Whose resources? The same money that will be using to document those citizens, those illegal foreigners, is the same money that we could be doing something good for our South Africans. Illegal foreigners. Instead of you thinking for better way, or when your future generation ba tle ba sharp wena re botsa ka gore now sanjere re trace ana le illegal foreigners. Now we don't need anything from them. Why should we waste our time to trace them? They are not welcome here. The only people who will trace are those who are coming legally to our country. One of those people, they are the one that we can trace, because already they came to our country legally. They created a way to come to South Africa. They break our laws. So, we trace for him. Because of the country, they fage over tracer from there coming to us. Imagine a Nigeria, so yet they fit those countries. Nigerians, and I believe those who came illegally here, they used the Goloi. They didn't use flight, because with flight, there's no way you can come here illegally. So they passed all those countries to South Africa. So those countries, they don't want to trace them also. It's us who have to trace them. But
Mozambique, ke ba bolena, le na le relative kwa Mozambique, but ba Venda, ba na le relative ka Zimbabwe. We are one thing. Africa is one. Africa must never be divided by anyone. Let us love all Africans. Comrades, emelang in niti. Na ke emechi niti. Lege ba mpicha marura. Bantua every day, Banyakompula every day, Banyakonchara every day. I will never back them. I will always tell them the truth, because the truth remains the truth. Africa is one. One love for Africa. Africa, we need peace, and that peace starts here in South Africa. Fighters.
Yeah, guys. You know, to enkhatlanka this video, this rally June 16. Malema ore are emailing in need. But what I've noticed, the crowd is not impressed by his statement. The crowd leona imagine need tawayama foreigners abaichi. If you watch those people, they are not even clapping hands. Only few are doing that because of now. Maleman try to bang I right. So I'm glad my EFF are like they are waking up. It's either those people who are there are not EFF members, they went there for food, or my EFF are like batlali feel now babona need. Oh, it out of get a cousin Jaren. Yes, get a cousin Jaren. We don't need them. I believe or Leena Kontlung Yara Radu cousin, any of his cousin, Radu Leon. Udule and Alamasadu Unyaga peace. So Lerena South Africa, we need peace. So wabona this thing yaur Malemena, he always want to talk, he always want to prove something. Wabona no Yamu Costa. Bona the crowd, he's very quiet. Uno betaba to matsoba ba few. ba no chaba o react gore ba bone, but silence means something. So already ba bona gore Malema ntho a re botsang yona ego, a rena di cousin go Zimbabwe rena, a rena di cousin go Nigeria. So a re yena o hwela nnete, ke nnete efe a e hwelang. So let's chaba no se hwela nnete, se emela nnete. That's why se sathagala. I even passed there while he was doing speech. Ba bantši ne ba tsamaya ba ipere di keeper tša EFF. I saw it. I passed there. Yes, it was full ka di bus, but batho ne ba no tsamaya ba tletše strata kwa Kedia kwa. So I start to believe we have EFF members who are waking up, or like now they see or Malema loja di dirang di totally wrong. Because of guys, this thing here, illegal foreigners, it affects you all. Muto o re fostela gore rate lojo, they are not supposed to be loved. Why re gapeletša gore rate ma-Africa gane? What is it that we're gonna benefit of loving them? Because of if those African people were loving us, le bona ne ba ka setle ba tle ba be morwalo ka mo country ya rena. They come to our country to be barren, like to be trouble. They come here to commit crimes. So why should we love them? Yes, it's our cousins. So now it's no longer our brothers and sisters. No, what address as cousins. So the cousin I did look over on. I ke le bona ke la ga ela bona ko Zimbabwe. Re tla ba etele re nyaka ba bona. Le bona ba re etele legally, then ba tsamaya. Tja gore bona ba tle ba tlabe di stenegam. A se yona. Malema ore let's love one another. Ore a re rataneng. Mara yena, he doesn't apply what he's saying. Malema, he doesn't love South Africa. If he loved South Africa, na tla tseba gore rena re lwela eng mo South Africa. So the love that he's preaching, maybe it meant for foreigners. If you've listened to this clip, or more rena le bana ba bo rena, if o follow molao wa South Africa, now he's changing the tune. I get, okay, it's fine. If you are following the rules and the laws of South Africa, you are one of us. But now South Africans, they are fighting for illegal foreigners who are not following South African laws, but now we are xenophobic. How are we xenophobic if we are fighting people who are not following our laws? Because of, if I remember well, South Africa, much and much is all about illegal foreigners. Those people, it means they are not following the laws of South Africa. As Malema is saying, they are not one of us. But you EFF members, you are saying we are xenophobic. Come this side and tell us or why little so. Even the same Malema Walena, he's saying, if you are not following the laws of South Africa, the laws of South Africa, you are not one of us. So those illegal foreigners, they are not one of us. Those Somalians who are operating those shops without registering them, they are not one of us. Those Nigerians who are selling drugs, they are not one of us. Everyone who's in South Africa illegally, they are not one of us. So now you can see, okay, Malema, sometimes he do support what we are doing. That's why Malema, you always contradict himself. Like, o bolela se adi, wa bona mo setšhabeng if o ka tsebe go homola, o tlo ba le bothata. So ore bana ba motho re ngwathagana na tlhogo ya tšea. It's fine. It's all about South Africa. And the one thing about EFF, as long Malema is failing to unite South Africans, he can unite Africa. There's no way. He failed to unite 9 provinces, but he wants to unite 52 countries or more. That one will never happen, guys. He must start here. Remember Malema, he once insulted Limpopians and say we are stupid. He always insult people. Then after we preach the love, which truth? But I'm glad if you are not following the laws of the South Africa, you are not one of us. So now why we are wrong when we are fighting for illegal foreigners? EF members, let's try to twist our ways. We are afraid of members. Or we are afraid of foreigners. Why we don't attack white people? How can we attack white people because of they are here legally, not illegally? If you can show us the white people who are here illegally, we will deal with them. So even if you can check the crowd, it was not crowding. I don't know what our crowd I happy ka lotse malemadi bolela. Because of no bolela yena, no pinya, on chamoya wa fisha. The same way I plan a bolela ka gona. But I'm glad to rule this thing. If you are not following the laws, the rules of South Africa, you are not one of us. So illegal people, they are not one of us. They are not following our laws. And there's no way we can document them. This thing you now know doesn't mean they will have citizenship, this and that. We don't need to document them. We don't need to trace them. Why should we trace them? It's not our job to trace them. We don't need them. Their country are failing to trace them also. Why should we take the job of their country? Go country Rena, we are focusing. We have a lot of problems that we need to deal with more. Rasanya ka deal with illegal foreigners, then retla deal le bona directly. Le ena malema sana le problems ya tlone di face in South Africa. Not the foreigner. Wa bona no go this thing ya the illegal foreigners are American. Wa bona South African they don't take shit. That's why no I change tuna tomorrow. They at least the drugs. We are fighting people by the drugs. War launch. When we're fighting about the drugs, when we are fighting about what illegal, you come to us and tell us about white people. We are fighting the problem when you want us to stop that problem and go to another one. After we finish this one, we'll go to that one you want. The same way my EFF fight and do sense.
The only option you have is to love each other amongst ourselves. Let us fight for peace in Africa.
So, you just heard what Malema said again. Or we can't afford to fight each other. We have to love each other. It's what we're doing. Again, he's the enemy of South Africa. He's the enemy of South Africa. That's why South Africa have decided to do much and much so that we support each other. We love each other. So now you understand, guys. We are doing what he's preaching now. We will love each other amongst ourselves. We are South Africans. Africa is for one, but South Africa is not for Africa. You have to understand that thing. Africa is for one, those countries, but South Africa is for South Africans, not for Africa. So you can't come to us, our country, and tell us what Africa is for one. That thing is, you fail to apply it. Go your own country. So Rena, as South Africans, we have decided to love each other, to prioritize each other. That's why we are doing much and much. That's why we are focusing on taking out all illegal foreigners out of our countries. We can't let people like Malema to come and destroy our country. We can't let people like his followers to come and destroy our country. Not while we're still alive. We're gonna love each other. The same way Ratane. Again, now we're gonna preach what he's saying. This thing, we have to love our cousins. We don't have love for cousins, Rena. We only have love for our own people, for our South Africans. That's enough. We don't have extras. If yena Malema ona lele extra ya marato, lele nama EFF or support or whatever he's saying, you can go la barata ko dinageng tsa bona, not in South Africa. Na bolela gore di betlela di this and that. The betlela, they are full of those illegal foreigners. Batla ka mo ba dira bana ka mo South Africa. Yes, what's the problem in South Africa is re dirang ka re lokile too much. One of this thing ya gore reacting ka rena, we have humanity man, rena le botho ba go feta batho ka moka. Ke ntho re ne itlo costa South Africa gore e tle tshwane le Zimbabwe one day. And the majority of those people who are doing that, they're not even helping other people. Those people who feel like, no, but ngwana na mola to this and that, go ka mmotsa gore mo bophelong bja go kile wa thusha mangwena. Ge re ka tšea bana ba le ra re ba tle ba dule le wena ba ma illegal foreigners, will you accept that? Malema o adoptile ngwana o wa illegal foreigner to show gore yena o na le lerato. Malema o dula le family ya gagwe, his biological children. Why asa dule le ma illegal foreigner sa mangwe to show gore yena o na le lerato for South African, but o nyaka rena re ba amogela on our society. Ma dula ngo dula le ma South Africans yena. So aska tla re botsa that toti man.
At this point, if Julius Malema told his supporters to jump off a cliff, they would readily go and jump off a cliff without asking a single question as to why we are jumping off a cliff, Commander-in-Chief. That is how you guys toe the party line, gule party and ridiculous. Ngoba, like I said, if you listen to the context of the video that I posted, I was also an ardent EFF supporter until those policies did not suit the current South African situation or the contemporary South African situation. And then I jumped ship. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You don't have to say yes to something that you see. You don't. You have your own mind. And this is what the political disillusionment is with the EFF and whatever trance that this guy has you in. We are not in a trance. We'll tell you straight up, your CIC is misinformed and is misguided and he's leading you guys to off of a cliff. And that is just it. There's testimonials on the video. People are saying because of the fact that kukhona abantu abangekho semthethweni abahambayo kulelizwe, the streets are cleaner. We're not going to be sorry about that because you guys are pushing a Pan-Africanism agenda when you had 30 years to implement all these policies that you could implement. Even if you are not in government and you can't implement them as per the Constitution, kodwa okusalayo, you could have arranged your own protests, your own kind of initiatives in order to force the current government to implement those policies or to be in power. You had 13 years. You've been president in waiting for the past 13 years. CIC president in waiting. We are still waiting. Namanje. So it's okay. We understand that you guys have to say yes, boss, yes, boss. Even if he says, oh, guys, today would be a great day to go and fly some kites. You guys will be like, okay, guys, he said it will be a great day to go fly some kites. Let's all go fly some kites. Sinaga singeni nonsense. Asingeni nje sontshela nje le FFN uyabheda isazoqhubeka ibhede manilalela lo mlisa lo asifunje ukuthi useniqambela manje uyasanganela nje ngeke azazayeke futhi namanje ukusanganela sanganani naye ke thina sisangene thina makhanda wethu
habi hey wabafowethu hey futhi uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda isiphambano hey uyabona ngesikhathi umuntu esedelile iANC ngizokusho nje lokho nje imbaba umuntu esedelile iANC isimumila yabo ngaleso sikhathi ngibona ukuthi umuntu uzomisa kanjani ngempela njengamanje unama options awu2 ngoba nganginawo 2 ama options kwakuyinkatha neEFF ngabuka ukuthi inkatha ziningi izinto esezenzekile ikhona baningi omasipala inkathe baphethe bonke labo basipala abanamanzi abanalutho kahle nje abanalutho ngabuka ukuthi yabona amavoti ami aya kwiEFF MK leyo ngathi shongenza iphutho ongakazi ulibone lapha yana ngathi sho nje ngaba umuntu othatha amavoti akhe awanikeza iEFF madoda
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhodi usend message kuMalema nema-members e-EFF uthi uMalema angeke azacala avukela i-president yala South Africa. Uthi njena there is no way angavuka abe i-president yala South Africa because of how he defends foreigners. Akananzaba nokuthi bantu bathini, akananzaba nangokuthi ama-members akhe athini, akafuni ukuphikiswa, akafuni ukutshelwa, akafuni ukuboniswa. So uyasho ukuthi ngeke nje azavukile president yase South Africa. We know ukuthi people are fighting indzaba ema-illegal foreigners e-South Africa. Yethu uMalema uthi abangaqoshwa labantu instead aba-document and bantu bavele bakwate kakhulu kokuthi hayibo kanjani and people who are actually saying ukuthi they regret voting for i-EFF, they wasted their vote because why akhombisa kubavikela kangaka abantu abafika eSouth Africa ngalokungekho emthethweni. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.